Hi everyone. Today we will see how to secure our Tally Prime data. Okay. So I opened Tally Prime here, and please note that there are two ways you can secure Tally Prime data. One is copying the data folder of Tally Prime, or you can use the existing functionality of Tally Prime, that is direct backup. Now, if you want to copy the folder, you need to identify where is your data coming from to your application. That's you can simply see that from select company option. You can see the path here. See Tally Prime data. So my all the companies, whatever company I'm working on, it is being saved in C drive Tally Prime folder, and under that Tally Prime folder there is a data folder. So either you can copy this data folder and keep it secure in any of the hard disk, or you can use data backup functionality which is available inside the Tally Prime application. So if you want to copy the data folder, just identify that path as I said. So in my case, if I go to open file location, I kept my data in C drive under Tally Prime. So you can see the data here. You can copy this folder and paste it in the folder where you want to keep your backup. So I kept the backup in D drive. I kept in the same computer D drive. I created a folder TLOBCK and paste the data folder. So if you open, you can see all my companies are here. So this way you can keep the data folder in external hard disk or in Google Drive or Dropbox, OneDrive, anywhere if you feel which is secure, you can keep it there. Now we'll go to the next method, that is inside Tally Prime. So in the data menu, backup. In the backup, you can see the companies which you are working on. So first thing, you need to select your destination path where you want to keep the data backup. So press backspace. It will come to this area where you need to decide where you want to keep the data. So on the right side list of folders, you can see specify the path. You can type the path manually, or you can browse the folder from choosing the select from drive. So here what I will do, I already created a folder in D drive. So I choose that select from drive, D drive, and you can see here Tally backup, and choose Tally. I choose the path. Now it comes to the company list. I want to choose only the test company. So you can specify the companies which you want to take a backup. So I choose test company. Then I don't want to select JJ Informatics, so I skip that. I go to end of list by pressing the up arrow, select. So I choose only one company, accept the screen. So the backup being made to the particular folder. So in D drive, you can see Tally TLY BCK folder. Under that, we kept the backup file. So this is how you do backup of Tally Prime. Two methods. Either, as I said earlier, you can copy the data folder after identifying from where your company's been selected, or you can use the data backup functionality which is inside Tally Prime. Now, if you feel that okay, you need to keep it in a cloud or somewhere else, you can use either Dropbox or you can use OneDrive. So you need to install and configure that in your computer. After that, you need to choose your Dropbox. Okay, here in my Dropbox, it is I already created a Tally backup folder. Go inside the Tally backup folder. Okay, now copy this folder, copy this particular path, I copy this, Control C, then go to Tally Prime data, then backup. Here what I will do, I will press backspace, then my control will be on destination path. Then I choose specify path because I copied the path. So I am going to specify the path. I press Control V to copy the path, I mean to paste the path. Enter. Choose the path again, enter. So the path of Dropbox being selected here. Now choose the company which you want to backup. So I choose this company and the second company also. End of list, accept. So both the companies being backup to inside the Dropbox under Tally backup folder. So this is how we secure Tally Prime data by copying the data folder or using the Tally Prime functionality, backup functionality. Okay. If you have any doubts on this particular area, you can mail to us. I give my email ID in the description.